I'm going to do an unboxing video. I ordered these through Walmart a week ago, actually 10 days ago, and they just came in today's mail for about 20 bucks. Let's see what they do and can do or not do. Okay, the shrink wrap has been removed. Now let's see. I think it just slides down. Yep. All right. What do you get? You get the glasses in a foamy sheath. This is hard to do with one hand. All right, let's just see. You get the glasses. You get a charging cable. USB-A to, ooh, what's the other end here? Proprietary. Oh yeah, contact. Oh, focus. Come on. There we go. So USB to touch. And then what else? Yeah. This is a little lens cleaning cloth. All right. Oh, something else in there. Ah! Warranty card. Always fill that out. Always complete the warranty card. Even though you're protected by whatever card you use. And then read the manual, people. Read the fine print. Air Dance user manual. All right, we'll check this out, and then I'll pick this up. Okay, these are the glasses. They're pretty sturdy frame. They actually feel a lot, let's see, focus, come on, goddamn camera. Sturdier than the frame on my iBuy Direct glasses. Is this thing not focusing? Come on. Doesn't know what to focus on. Ugh, what a pain. You know what? The thing is, I can't even read it either because I'm not wearing my glasses. Trying to get it to focus here. Hold up. Let's see, what does that read on the inside? Oh, there's the charging, I think, contact point. Okay, well, there it is. There they are. Maybe I can hold up this side. Okay, I think I got a little more focus here now. Tap to power on. As I was saying, these frames feel very, very sturdy. I can't see where the speaker, goddamn stupid fucking focus. This sucks. I don't know if I got just too many things in the way where it won't, the video doesn't focus that closely. I'm going to try to take some pictures. Let's see. Okay. I thought this was kind of cool. First time I've seen something like this. This is neat. So the charging cable is split with contacts on each side of the lens of the glasses stem, and it's magnetic. So it literally just snaps into place. If you try to move it, you can see it falls, and then you just blink. And there it goes. It just right where it needs to go. Same thing on that end. I'm going to go ahead and let them charge, and then we'll try it out. Okay. So what I thought was just the warranty card to fill out is actually the instructions for the glasses. So to switch on and off, we can see there. Come on, focus. You do this now to power on, switch on and off, and then to use the phone, pairing mode. What else? Music, voice assistant, and then that charging. Yep. magnetic charging. And then all the disclaimers. What else is here? And then it goes into Spanish. Máquina de cambiar. Máquina de cambiar. Switch on and off. Oh, yeah. Well, okay. But, yeah, pretty straightforward. And then there's this thing. The ear dance manual. I see here that there is an app that comes with it. Download ear dance app. And then you're able to do more stuff. What exactly, I do not know. But I will download the app. And we'll see what features come with that. Ear dance supports 3 translation modes. Glasses and phone mode. Translation machine mode. Oh, wait, there's more. Oh. Wow, the whole thing on the backside. Okay. And then number 3 is the free talk mode, which is the highly recommended mode. All right. Tells you how to switch languages. Some other smart tool, vote note mode. What's this one? Voice transcriptions, AI summary, mind map, voice transcription, AI summary, mind map. Okay, yep, recap of that. Scenario adapted templates, built-in templates for 3 key scenarios. Double click. Yada yada yada, blah blah, whoop-de-doo, rah rah rah. Multi-format export and easy operation. Audio and video. Okay. Well, looks like we'll be playing with these for a bit. Oh, no. After they charge, so pop them in, plug them into just the battery thing for now to see. And yeah, there's a little red LED on both sides to indicate. Yep. Where'd it go? Jeez, can't find it. There it is. To indicate that it is charging. So I'll let that sit for an hour or so. Right, Bissy? Once again, you're no help. Okay, so red means they're charging. Blue indicates they're fully charged. So let's go ahead and disconnect. Put on. Oh. Oh. All right. We put them on. And yeah, damn, see. Oop, I got a pair. All right, hang on, I'll be back.